Partial fractions, part 2.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss new concept. So, type 3. Let f of x by g of x be proper fraction. And g of x is irreducible polynomial. And g of x is irreducible polynomial. See here, g of x is irreducible polynomial means g of x cannot be product of two or more polynomials. So in that case, g of x is called as irreducible polynomial. So see here, for example, f of x by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So here ax square plus bx plus c is irreducible. Okay. Considering ax square plus bx plus c is irreducible polynomial. And some cx square plus dx plus c. So this is also irreducible polynomial. So in that case, this can be written as, see here, ax plus b by first irreducible or second irreducible polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c plus cx plus d by cx square plus dx plus c. Okay. So here, for example, x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. So clearly x square plus x plus 1 is irreducible polynomial. So in that case, this can be written as ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. See here another example, x minus 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. So in that case, this can be written as a by first linear factor, that is x plus 2, plus next bx plus c by irreducible polynomial, that is x square plus x plus 1. Now simplify this. So from that, you need to find a, b, c, and substitute here you will get the partial fractions of this. Okay. So this is type 3. So here next type 4, f of x by g of x be proper fraction and g of x is irreducible polynomial and repeated polynomial. Okay. See here, for example, g of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n. Here ax square plus bx plus c is irreducible polynomial. Okay. And it is repeated n times. So in that case, f of x by g of x can be written as ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c plus cx plus d by ax square plus bx plus c whole square and so on. Okay. So this is type 4. See here, for example, x minus 2 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So clear, this is irreducible polynomial and repeated polynomial. So in that case, this can be written as ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. And simplify this, you will get a, b, c, d values and substitute here. You will get the required partial fractions. Okay. This is type 4. So next type 5. Let f of x by g of x improper fraction. So here two possibilities. So here first one, case 1. Degree of f of x is equals to degree of g of x. Okay. So in that case, f of x by g of x can be written as k plus f of x by g of x. Here k is equals to coefficient of highest degree in numerator. So divide by coefficient of highest degree in denominator. Okay. See our second case. What is the second case? Degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. So in that case, f of x by g of x can be written as q of x plus r of x divided by g of x. Okay. So here q of x is the coefficient and r of x is the remainder. So clearly here q of x is coefficient and r of x is remainder. Okay. So this is case 2. So this is type 5. So next we will discuss few problems. So here first one, x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. So clearly x square plus 1 is irreducible polynomial. So clearly this is type 3. Now x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 can be written as a by x plus 2 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. Now this is x square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. So what is the LCM? X plus 2 into x square plus 1. So a into this one, a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. So both denominators get cancelled. So this is equation 1. Now this is x square minus 3 is equals to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. Here you need to find the values of a, b, c. So for finding the value of a, put x is equals to minus 2. So what you get? Minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 3, 1. So a into minus 2 whole square, 4 plus 1, 5. So clearly a is equals to 1 by 5. Okay. So next, comparing coefficients of x square. X square coefficient is 1 on LHS, on RHS a plus b. So clearly what is b value? 1 minus a, that is 1 minus 1 by 5. So b is equals to 4 by 5. So next, comparing the constants. So constant is minus 3 on LHS, on RHS a plus 2c. So substitute a value. So what you get? Minus 3 minus 1 by 5 is equals to 2c. Now this is 15 minus 1. So minus 16 by 5 is equals to 2c. Therefore c is equals to minus 8 by 5. Now substitute a, b, c in equation 1. Substitute a comma b and c in equation 1. So what you get? X square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. This is equals to a by x plus 2. What is a? 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 times of x plus 2 plus bx, that is 4 by 5, and this is 8 by 5. So 4x, next minus 8 by 5 times of x square plus 1. So this is the required answer. So try to solve second question. So same as first question. So this is also type 3. Okay. So see here next one, x cube by 2x minus 1 x plus 2 into x minus 3. So clearly see here, degree of f of x, degree of g of x both are equal. So clearly this is type 5. So this is also type 5. So this is type 5. Type 5 first case. Okay. So because of both degree of f of x and degree of g of x are equal. So see here in that case, x cube by 2x minus 1 x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to k plus f of x by g of x. So what is k value? Quotient of highest degree in numerator. So clear that is 1. In denominator 2 only. Plus f of x by g of x. So that is x cube by 2x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3 is equals to 1 by 2 plus, how to write this? A by, so product of linear factors. So clearly type 1, that is a by 2x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x minus 3. So here this is x cube by 2x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3. So clearly what is the LCM here? 2 into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3. So numerator 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus 2a into x plus 2 into x minus 3. Next 2b into 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. Next 2c into 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. So these terms are get cancelled. Now 2 into x cube. So 2x cube is equal to this one. 2x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 2a into x plus 2 x minus 3 plus 2b into 2x minus 1 x minus 3 plus 2c into 2x minus 1 x plus 2. Here we need to find the values of a, b, c. So here for finding the value of a, put x is equals to 1 by 2. So here 2 into 1 by 8 is equals to, this becomes 0, and this one plus 2a into 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 0 plus 0. 1 by 4 is equals to 2a into 5 by 2. Next 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So this is, and 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So clearly what is a value? A is equals to minus 1 by 50. This is the value of a. Next we need to find the value of b. So for that put x is equal to minus 2. So put x is equals to minus 2 cube, that is minus 8 into 2 minus 16, and this becomes 0 plus 0, and this one plus 2b into, so minus 1 minus, see here 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Next minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, So clearly 2 1 are 2 18. So what is b value? Minus 8 by 25. So you need to find the value of c. So for finding the value of c, put x is equal to 3. So what you get? 27 into 2. 54 is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2c into. See here, 6 minus 1, 5. Next, 3 plus 2, 5. So 2 1 are 2, 27. So what is the value of c? 27 by 25. And substitute a, b, c in this equation. So what you get? So this is 1 by 2. What is a value? Minus 1 by 50. So minus 1 by 50 into 2x minus 1 plus b value minus 8 by 25. So here also you will get minus 8 by 25 into x plus 2. Next c by x minus 3 plus 27 by 25 into x minus 3. So this is the required answer. Try to solve second question. Okay. So same as first question. So see here next one, x power 4 by x minus 1 to x minus 2, and this one x cube by x minus 1 to x plus 2. So clearly these are improper fraction and case 2. So clearly this is type 5 case 2. Okay. So see here first question. So how to write f of x by g of x is equals to q of x plus r of x by g of x. So see here, divide x power 4 with x minus 1 into x minus 2. So clear that is x square minus 3x plus 2 x power 4. So multiplying with the x square. So what you get? X square into x square, x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square. Okay. Next, see here x power 4 get cancelled. This is plus 3x cube minus 2x square. So plus 3x. So x square into 3x. 3x cube minus 3x into 3x minus 9x square plus 6x. So this one get cancelled. Minus 9. See here minus 2 plus 9, that is 7x square minus 6x. Next plus 7j. So 7x square minus 21x plus 14. So this is 15x minus 14. So clear this is the remainder. And this is q of x. So here therefore x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to what is q of x? X square plus 3x plus 7 plus r of x 15x minus 14 by g of x. So what is that? X minus 1 into x minus 2. So clear this is proper fraction and type 1. See here, therefore 15x minus 14 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. So this is equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. So this is 15x minus 14 is equals to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. So first put x is equals to 1, you will get the value of a. See here 15 minus 14, 1 is equals to minus a. So a is equals to minus 1. For finding the value of b, put x is equals to 2. So 13 minus 14, 16 is equals to 2 minus 1, b. So b is equal to 16. Therefore equation 1 implies x power 4 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is equals to x square plus 3x plus 7 plus what is 15x minus 14 by x minus 1 and x minus 2, a by x minus 1, that is minus 1 by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2, that is 16 by x minus 2. So this is the required answer. So try to solve second question. So this is same as first question and this is also type 5 case 2. So here next one, x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So clearly this is irreducible and repeated polynomial. So here in that case x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square can be written as ax plus b by x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So clearly both side LCMs are get cancelled. Now x square plus 1 is equals to, so what is that, ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. So here you need to find the values of a, b, c, d. So first comparing coefficients, x cube coefficients, LHS 0, what is RHS side, a only, no? So a value is 0. Next x square coefficients, so 1 on LHS, on RHS, a plus b, so clearly b is equals to 1. Next comparing the coefficients of x, on LHS 0, on RHS a plus b. Next plus c. So a is 0, b is 1. So c is equals to minus 1. Next comparing the constants. On LHS 1, on RHS b plus d. So what is b value? 1. So d value is 0. Now substitute a, b, c, d in equation 1. So here equation 1 implies x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to a value 0 and 1 by x square plus x plus 1 plus c value minus. So right here minus x by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. So this is the required answer. So try to solve these questions. So for next session we will discuss more concept